think the cost of winning is too much. Just wait for the regret bill. Something inside you needs to wake up. And usually, you're the only one who can do it. Procrastination isn't laziness. It's a habit, and habits can be broken, really. It's not even about the work you're dodging. It's about stress. When life feels too much, maybe with relationships, money, or fear of failing, your brain wants to escape. Watching silly videos or tidying up feels easier than tackling the hard stuff. But that relief doesn't last. And the cycle goes on. The quickest way to kill procrastination is to make the work so simple it feels silly not to do it. Think of that huge wall you need to climb. What if you could make it tiny? Break down that overwhelming hour into just 5 minutes. Your goal isn't to finish right now, it's just to start. Once you begin, science says you will likely keep going 80% of the time. But there's more. Give yourself small, quick rewards right after you work. Checklists, habit trackers, or even just saying done can make progress feel good. That feel-good chemical in your brain is powerful, so use it to your advantage. Still can't start? Try doing something harder than procrastinating. Sounds weird, but being uncomfortable can reset your motivation. For example, taking a cold shower or doing a quick workout can make sitting down to work feel easy by comparison. This little shock helps your brain get out of that low-energy state faster. The key is to interrupt the habit. When you feel that hesitation, just pause and count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This puts you back in control. Then, commit to just 5 minutes. No excuses. No need for perfection. Just start. Procrastination isn't who you are. It's a habit you've learned. And the longer you avoid doing things, the bigger the regret will be. So, ask yourself, will you keep paying that price? Or will you take that first step right now? Subscribe for more tips.